Okay, so we will discuss the property, one more property, that is symmetry property. Okay, the symmetry property. So now, so if x of t having, so we have already discussed this one, f of x of t, if it is having a Fourier series pair with the frequency omega naught, we have the Fourier series coefficient x of k. Now if x of t is the real value, so okay, if x of t is real value, so then it's x of k, so then your x's are that complex conjugate of x of k, so we can write it as x of minus k. Okay, and if x of t is real and it is even, okay, if x of t is real and it is even, so then we can write the imaginary part of x of k, which will be equal to 0. Okay, so if x of t is real and odd, okay, if it is real and odd, so then the real part of your x of k will be 0. Okay, so this describes the symmetry property of fs. Okay, so this will going to prove, we'll take that problem and we'll going to prove. Okay, so now take the problem. So find the Fourier series coefficient of the signal x of t, which is given, that is x of t equal to sine omega naught t. So this is a signal which is given, sine omega naught t. So you need to find out the Fourier series coefficients x of k. Okay, so this is a problem, the first problem. So now how we will find? So first you can write the x of t in terms of the exponential signal. Okay, so if you write the x of t in terms of exponential signal, it will give e power j omega naught t minus e power minus j omega naught t, so this divided by 2j. Okay, so this is the expression for sine omega naught t. Okay, so now, so this you can express also in terms of the coefficients x of k, so that, so that we can compare with the Fourier series equation, so that we will do. So e power j into 1 I'll write, and omega naught t, so and 1 over 2j I will take for this term, and similarly here I'll take 1 over 2j and e power minus j into or plus j, so minus 1 I can take, and omega naught t. Okay, so now you can see, so this expression, if you compare with the x of t, which is given by summation k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of k into e power j omega naught k into t. Okay, so now if you compare this one or if you expand this one, so we have x of k which is having k value which is equal to 1 and minus 1. So now we can write this expression as x of 1 into e power j into 1 omega naught t, okay, plus x of minus 1 into e power j into minus 1 omega naught t. So this we can write only for the two values x of 1 and x of minus 1. So now if you compare this equation with this equation which is given by x of t, okay, so now we will get the magnitude value of x of 1 and we will get the magnitude value of x of minus 1. So now what we will get? So x of 1 which is given by 1 over 2j, and similarly x of minus 1, so you will get minus 1 over 2j. So this is your the coefficients, Fourier series coefficients x of 1 and x of minus 1. Okay, so now if you write the magnitude spectrum, so you will get, so this the magnitude, if you convert it from rectangular to polar. So you will get the magnitude of x of 1, which is given by, so 1 over 2, which is equal to 0.5. So or if you convert this in terms of polar form, so you will get the 0.5 at an angle pi by 2. Okay, so now if you convert this one, you will get 0.5 at an angle minus pi by 2. Check it once, so whether it is giving the same value. Okay, so now if you take the magnitude of x of 1, which is 0.5, and magnitude of x of minus 1, which is also equal to 0.5. So now if you write this spectrum, so you will get like this. So this is a k value, and this is your minus 1, and this is your plus 1. Okay, so both will be having the magnitude values 0.5. Okay, so this is your x of k, that is magnitude spectrum. Okay, similarly you can write the phase spectrum. So you can write here k value. So you will be having x of 1, so which is equal to, is it pi by 2 or minus pi by 2, you can check it once. So at minus 1, so at minus 1 it will be having, I think, plus, because j will go in the top and it will become plus, and if j goes top here, it will give minus, I think. So check it once, is it correct? Hello, convert this 1 over 2j or zero point 0.5 minus 0.5j into the polar form. Is it giving 0.5 at an angle minus 90 degree, and this one 0.5 at an angle plus 90 degree? Hello, anybody converted? Hello, Gaganashri, is it giving the same value? Hello, Channavi, hello, hello, Spurti, Yashaswini,
Yes.
hello, Srimandar, Srimandar Jain, hello, hello, Subramania, is it, the polar values are correct, the angles?
So it's 0.5 at an angle of pi by 2, right?
Minus.
So 0.5,
At an angle pi by 2, right?
yeah, so that is what you need to
Minus
check
1.
it, whether it is giving
Yes,
the
sir.
same value. So is it give 1 over 2j, it will give 0.5 at an angle minus pi by 2? So okay, so if you take this one at minus 1, it will give, so plus pi by 2, and plus 1 it will give minus pi by 2. Okay, so this is the phase
Yes.
is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is a phase spectrum of your the Fourier series coefficient x of k. Okay, so this is a phase spectrum, and this is the magnitude spectrum. Okay, so now we'll take the next problem. So x of t, which is given, x of t, so which is given by the exponential signal, okay, like this. So this is your x of t, okay. So this is the value 1 and this is the value 2 and 3, like that it will go, and here it is minus 1, minus 2. So now this is a x of t signal. So what is this signal represents? It is a exponential signal, is it not? So this is a decaying exponential signal. So we can write it as e power minus t. Okay. So now x of t we can write it as e power minus t. So what is the period? So you can see here. So by looking at this figure, we can find it out what is the period. So period, the fundamental period t equal to 1. Is it not? So now what is your omega? It is omega naught fundamental frequency 2 pi by t. Okay. So which is equal to 2 pi. Okay. So now we can find out the Fourier series coefficients for this. So we know the x of k expression, okay, which is equal to 1 over t over the period t. So x of t into e power minus jk omega naught t. Okay, now substitute the value of x of t. So and what is the period for which we have to integrate? It is 0 to 1 because one period we are taking. So here 1 over 1, so 0 to 1. So x of t is e power minus t and e power minus jk omega naught is 2 pi into t into dt. So dt is there here and into dt. Okay, so now this will give 0 to 1. So e power, so minus if you take common, so 1 plus j k 2 pi into t into dt. So now this you have to integrate and you will get the value for the x of k. So what is the value for x of k? X of k expression. So integrate this one, what you will get? So minus e power minus 1 plus j k 2 pi into t. So this divided by 1 plus j k into, so jk into 2 pi 1 plus j k into 2 pi. So this will be evaluated for 0 to 1. Okay, so this will give, so minus 1 over 1 plus jk into 2 pi. Okay, so if you substitute the value of t 1 and 0, so you will get it as e power minus 1 plus jk 2 pi minus e power 0 which is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the x of k expression. So we will get the Fourier series coefficient, this one. Okay, so this is the expression for x of k. So now how to plot the magnitude spectrum? So now go on putting the value of k 0 to, so 0 1 2 3 like that up to, because since it is periodic, okay, it will go to infinite values. So only you have to plot some of the values up to some 0 to 2 0 to 3 like that. Okay, so whenever it is giving like this, you are, at least you need to plot 2 to 3 values. Okay, so now what is the expression? X of k, so x of k which is equal to, so if you multiply minus inside, so you will get 1 over 1 minus e power minus 1 plus j k 2 pi. So this divided by 1 plus j k into 2 pi. Okay, so this is the expression for x of k. So now put the value of k. So what is x of 0? We can find it out. What is the x of 0 value, magnitude value? So you can find out for putting the value of k equal to 0. So this will become 1. So 1 minus, so sorry, here it is k0. It will be 1 minus e power minus 1 divided by, so this will be 1. So this will be equal to, so 1 minus 1 by e. So this is the value of x of 0. And similarly put the value of k equal to 1. So you will get the value for k equal to 1. So now that spectrum you need to plot by putting the value of k and convert that rectangular form, whatever it will come, to the polar form. So that will give the phase spectrum as well as the magnitude spectrum. So that you need to do. So you try to do that and you will get the values. Okay. So that you do it. So now take the next problem. Take the next problem. So and try to do this one. So x of t is given, which is the signal which is given like this. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, and it will be from minus 1 and it will go like this, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 like that. So now try to do this one. Find out the Fourier series coefficients x of k and also plot its magnitude and phase spectrum. Try to do. What is the x of k? Tell me. So here what is the period value? The fundamental period. What is the fundamental period here?
So 1 only.
So actually it is repeating at 2 since it is not continuous, right?
Yes, sir.
So 0 is repeating where?
At intervals of 2, sir.
Yeah, so it is t equal to 2. So now what is omega naught? Omega naught equal to 2 pi by t, so which is equal to 2 pi by 2, which is equal to pi. So now you can write this expression. So is it the form of sine signal? It is only, it is varying with a half cycle. There is no negative half cycle. So if it is complete full cycle, it will be sine of 2 pi t. Is it not? So if it is having complete cycle like this, so you can write it as sine of, it is varying the with period of 2 pi t, right? So in the similar way, so here it is only half of this signal, so we will get sine, which is omega naught, we are getting it as pi, so we can write it as sine pi t. Okay, so are you getting? So now you can take x of t equal to sine of pi t. So now put this value and find out what is x of k. So you know x of k, which is equal to 1 over t period, it is varying from minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 or minus t to plus t. Okay, so or you can take the one period value, that is 0 to 1, sorry 0 to 2, because it is the period is from 0 to 2, but the value which is giving sine pi t only from 0 to 1. Okay, so now x of t into e power minus jk omega naught t, so which is given by 1 over 2. So the value which is varying only from 0 to 1. So x of t is sine of pi t into e power minus jk, so which is pi into t into t. So now evaluate this integration and try to tell the answer. What is x of k? So write this sine pi t in terms of exponential signal, which is given by e power j pi t minus e power minus j pi t divided by 2 into g. So now put this value here and try to find out the integral. Sai Venkat, is it understood? Are you doing? Hello, Sai Venkat. Ridunath. Hello, Ritunath. Ritunand. Are you doing any difficulty because you're starting from yesterday? So maybe we face difficulty. So if you have any doubt, you can ask, and also if your friends are there, you can ask them. Okay, I will send earlier videos also. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sunil. Sunil. Hello, Sunil. Is there? Is absent. And Lohit. Hello, Lohit. Is also not there. So anybody got? What is the equation? Hello, Nivedita. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Have you got the answer?
Sir, doing, sir.
So now if you put this one, so you will get the 1 over 2 integration 0 to 1. So e power j pi t, e power minus j pi t, put the value of sin pi t, which is equal to this value, and into e power minus jk pi t into dt. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 over 4 j into, so now combine this signal, multiply this one with this, so you will get e power, so if you take common j plus j, if you take common, so you will get 1 plus, sorry, okay, 1, will get 1 minus k into pi t. Okay, so if you take plus j pi t common, it will become 1, and here it is minus k. So similarly minus e power minus j, if you take common, it will give 1 plus k into pi t. Okay, so this into dt. Okay, so now, so both will be integrate, should be from 0 to 1. Okay, so here also it is integrate from 0 to 1, and here also 0 to 1. So now do this one and integrate it, so you will get the answer. So I can write here only. So what is x of k? X of k, which is equal to 1 over 4j into, so e power j into 1 minus k into pi t. So this divided by j into 1 minus k into pi t minus, so minus of again e power minus j into 1 minus k into pi t. So this divided by minus of 1 plus k, so that is j into 1 plus k into pi t. Okay, so this will be evaluated from 0 to 1, and this also evaluated from 0 to 1. Okay, so now put the value of t, which is 1 and 0, so we will get the values. Put the values t equal to 0 and 1, so what you will get? So we will get it as x of k, which is equal to 1 over 4j into e power j into 1 minus k into pi. T will be equal to 1. Okay, so minus, if you put t equal to that that 0, you will get minus 1. So this divided by, so j into 1 minus k into pi. So this will be one term, and another term we will get it as plus e power minus j into 1 plus k into pi minus 1. This divided by j into 1 plus k into pi. Okay, so this is the expression for x of k. So now if you write in terms of cos and sine signal, okay, so if you take the sine pi, okay, in terms of sine pi, so this will going to be 0. So sine pi, the multiples of pi, sine will going to 0, only the cos value you will get it. Okay, so you will get cos of like 1 minus k into pi. Okay, so whenever the k value is 0 and 1, that is 0 1 2 3 like that it will go, so it will vary the value. And similarly here also cos of 1 plus k into pi it will come. Okay, so this we can write it as, say for example, if k equal to 0, if I put k value equal to 0, so we will get cos of 0, that will become 1. Okay, and similarly if you put k value equal to 1, so k value, for k value equal to 1 itself cos is 1, so this term, and k value equal to, so 0, so you will get cos of pi, so that will become minus 1. And similarly you can put k value equal to 2, so you will get 2 minus 2 1, and it will give minus pi, cos of minus pi, so it will give cos pi only, which will give minus 1. So it will be alternate, 0 it will be minus 1, 1 it will be 1, and 2 it will be minus 1, and 3 it will going to again give, it will plus 1, so like that. So this we can write it as 1 no, minus 1 power, so, so here it is 1 minus k, right? So you can write it as 1 minus k. So like that, similarly you can write this one as 1 plus k, cos of, that is minus 1 power 1 plus k. So that we will write, and we will write the expression, final expression. Okay, so this will give 1 over 4j into, okay, so we will get it as minus 1 power 1 minus k minus 1. So this divided by, okay, so j into 1 minus k into pi plus This is minus 1 power 1 plus k minus 1. So this divided by j into 1 plus k into 5. So now you can put the values of k and you can get the magnitude spectrum. Okay. So you can write the expression and you can put the values of k and you can going to get the values of the spectrum values x of k, the phase spectrum as well as uh, the magnitude spectrum. Okay, so this is what the x of k equation. Okay, so is there any doubt in this? So you can ask and you try to evaluate the magnitude spectrum as well as the phase spectrum. Okay. Okay, so now next we have find out the Fourier series coefficients. Now in similar way we can find out what is the time domain signal. How to find out the time domain signal? So we can use the expression Fourier series pair expression and we can compare and we can try to find out the time domain signal. So now the x of for this problem x of k, the spectrum it is given. Okay, so it is varying from 0 to all are 0 values 0 1 2 3 like that. So we will get the value at 3 it is 1. Okay, and at value 4 it will be equal to 2. Okay, and 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So at again at minus 3 you will be having the value 1 and it will be having minus 4 the value 2. Okay, so this is the magnitude spectrum of x of k which is given, and similarly it will be having a phase spectrum. So at 3 it will be having plus pi by 4 and 4 it will be having minus pi by 4. So this is pi by 8 I can take, and this is at minus 4 and this is minus 3, and similarly at 3 so it will be having the phase value which is minus pi by 4. So it is minus pi by 4. So at 3 it is having minus pi by 4 and at plus 4 it will be having plus pi by. Okay, so this is the phase spectrum of x of k. So now we need to find out the corresponding time domain signal x of t. What is x of t? Okay, so now from figure we can find out that is x of 3, the coefficient of x of 3 at this value which is equal to 1, and x of minus 3 which is equal to 1, and similarly x of 4 which is equal to 2, and x of minus 4 which is equal to 2. So this is the magnitude spectrum, and phase we know here it is pi by 4. The angle of the x of 3 so which is equal to e power minus j pi by 4, and angle of x of minus 3 which is equal to e power plus j pi by 4. Okay, so or we can write it as the x of 3 it is equal to 1 at an angle pi by 4, and x of minus 3 1 at an angle that is pi by 4, this is minus pi by 4 like that. That also we can write, and x of 4 which will be equal to e power j pi by 8, and similarly x of minus 4 which we can write it as e power minus j pi by 8. So now we can write the x of t expression. So now we know x of t expression, which is equal to summation k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of k into e power j omega k into t. Okay, jk omega naught into k into t. So now, so we know the x of k values. Only for the particular values the x of t exists. So x of 3 we know that is 1 into, so if you write the omega, so e power with the phase angle, so we will get it as e power j omega naught into 3 into t, because k we are taking it as 3 here, x of 3, and x of minus 3 we can take it as plus 1 the magnitude, and e power, so j omega naught minus 3 into t. So this is for the x of 3 and x of minus 3, and also we have to write the phase values here. So we need to multiply the phase values, that is x of 3 it is nothing but e power minus j pi by 4, and here e power plus j pi by 4. So this is for minus j pi by 4. This is for x of 3 and x of minus 3, and similarly for x of 4, so we'll be having the magnitude value 2, and x of 4 which will be having phase e power j pi by 8 into e power j omega naught into 4 into t, and similarly 2 into for x of minus 4 for minus j pi by 8 into e power j omega naught minus 4 into t. So only these values exist for x of t. Okay, so now we can add the phase, and as well as we can write the expression, which is equal to x of t, which is equal to, we can add that phase values, and we can write it as e power j 3 pi t minus pi by 4, okay, plus e power minus j 3 pi t minus j, no? So we can have e power minus j 3 pi t minus pi by 4. So this is one expression, and for the x of 4 we will get 2 into e power j into 4. So we have to write here omega naught, so that is in this one. So omega naught, so which is given by, so here from the this one we can write it as pi value. Okay, so since it is periodic from minus 3 to plus 3, so we can write it as sorry, so here it is given with the problem itself omega naught equal to pi, so that you need to take it. So with the problem itself, with omega naught equal to pi you have to take it. So with that omega naught, so we will get this expression, so which is equal to e power j 4 pi t minus pi by, that is plus pi by 8. So plus e power minus j 4 pi t plus pi by 8. Okay, so here it is what are the expression we got here? If you give pi here, 4 pi plus j pi by 8. So here minus if you take, both are plus, and here if you take minus if you take outside, they will get minus pi by 4, that is 3 pi t minus pi by 4. Here 3 pi t minus pi by 4. Okay, if you take plus, minus if you take here, if you take plus, it will give minus, and here if you take minus, it will give plus. Okay, so this is the expression, and this is the x of t signal, and you can write this one as x of t, which is equal to, so this you can write cos and sin terms, in terms of cos and sin terms. So you can write it as cos of 3 pi t minus pi by 4 plus j sin of 3 pi t minus pi by 4, and similarly you can write this one as cos of 3 pi t plus pi by 4. Is it plus or minus? So 3 pi t, if you take minus, so it will be x of minus 3, it is plus pi by 4. Okay, and x of 3, it is minus pi by 4. Okay, plus j pi t, if you take common, so it will give 3 pi t minus pi by 4, and if you take here minus common, minus pi by 4. So here it is actually minus pi by 4. So here it is minus pi by 4. Okay, so if you write this one also, so you will get cos of 3 pi t minus pi by 4 minus j sin of 3 pi t minus pi by 4. Okay, so this will get cancel each other, so you will get 2 times cos of 3 pi t minus pi by 4, and similarly here this also cos of 4 pi t plus pi by 8 you will get it. So now we can write the expression, final expression, that x of t as, so you will get x of t as 2 into cos of 3 pi t minus pi by 4 plus 2 into 2, you will get 4, 4 into cos of 4 pi t plus pi by 8. So this is the final expression what you will get for x of t for that particular spectrum. Okay, so is it understood? Any doubt? Hello? Hello? Satyam Pandey, are you there? Hello, Satyam Pandey?
Yes, sir.
Sandeep? Yeah. Any doubt in this? Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Uday Shankar? Hello?